Well, good morning, guys. Had another company reach out to me, and they are from Vicseed, and they had a Tesla center console and asked if I would be interested in doing a review on it, and I said, of course. So I got this out of the box. So inside of here, they got it wrapped pretty nice. These are supposed to be translucent, or at least I think the center one is. And so I'm gonna go ahead and get these unwrapped here. So we've got the center console one. So it's, I don't know what that material is. It's pretty nice. So we've got that guy. There we go. And then we've got this one. This has got the same type of material down there. Got a card. Got So hopefully that turned out all right, but we've unboxed this, and we've got this console, and what's nice here is you can have the charge cords come up through there. This material on the bottom is the same as this. So, oh, that comes out, it's washable then. That makes it kind of nice. But you're supposed to be able to see through that stuff. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and we'll get in my car. All right, so we'll open up the car. It is 30 degrees and snowing out, so it's a lovely, lovely day today. But this piece right here is supposed to go right in there. Man, I like that. I'm not just saying that either. Make that nice and easy to clean out. So we'll go ahead and try the next one here. All right, so I do have one here that I did purchase, but inside of here, they have like this little rail, and this is a deep hole. And so I think this one is the one that's supposed to go in here, and I like that. So it'll slide forward, and this one doesn't slide so far forward you can't grab it. And also your charging cords can come up through there. So I bought this one off Amazon, and it's got like that, I don't know, mouse hair in there or whatever. And so this one sits in here, and it's nice, but it goes so far forward I can't ever get it back. But it's pretty nice. But I think I like this one, because it'll go, I think it's bigger so that it doesn't get caught. So I kind of like that. And then this guy, I got the same thing. We'll show it here. So I bought one here, and I don't know if it was on purpose or not. I mean, it matches pretty nice in here, but there we go. I can't ever get it out. I don't have anything in there because I can't get it out. But this one, all right. So it, I wonder if I got these wrong. So this one, no. So this one goes up there, definitely. And then this guy sits in here like this. And so I think what you can still get stuff down in there, but you can see through there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some of my stuff in there. So there we go. So we have this guy in here. It's a nice tray, and you can grab it to get it out, where this one's nice, but once it's in there, you can't get it out. It does have access for this plug, which, to be honest with you, I didn't even see was there. So it's almost like you can't see anything in there. And this one here, you could grab it to move it out of the way. So it's pretty nice. I like it. I definitely like this one because I have a little trash bag down here, and then you can bring your charger up there too, but then you can shut it. So, well, that's it. Hope this helped anybody, but this is I think definitely is my, I just have drinks in here and it's already kind of dirty in there, so I'll definitely keep this guy in. And I like this one up front for sure. And this one's not too bad. It's a nice solid tray. And I guess it's supposed to let the light in so that you can see the contents inside. And I don't really keep much in there except for like my my badge and some mints. But yeah, hope that helps you guys. Again, this is put a link down below. But they have a installation video on that. And this is the Tesla center console set from Vicseed. So I'll go ahead and I'll put a link down at the bottom. But yeah, hope if you guys are interested in that, hope this helps. And we'll catch you on the next one.